The 2011 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, power steering, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, FWD, AM/FM stereo radio, bucket seats, MP3 player, power door locks, passenger airbag, security system, power windows, CD player, rear head airbag, auxiliary audio input, cloth seats, heated mirrors, steel wheels. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.